if I want to receive money, I can easily come to receive money here. A QR code will be generated from. So with this, I can use it to do what? Receive money. And I also send money. To click on set amount, write the amount. Let's say I want to do 100. You click on 100. It will generate it for you that I want to send to. Now, can you see? She has already sent me a friend request, right? And I've already accepted. So this was the 100 RMB I sent to her yesterday. You want to input the amount. I'm sending 200 RMB. So on transfer here. So automatically it's going to do what? It's going to connect it, and then it's going to ask you for your payment password. This thing. So I'm going to input my payment, and you will see now that the payment will go. Can you see now? So awaiting what? Receipt by team. 50 RMB. I accept the fund. She sends me another 50 RMB. I accept the fund because it's a Chinese fund. She sent 100. All right, welcome back to another edifying tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, get to meet me. My name is 𝐲𝐬 𝐓𝐵, and of course this is Zion Hope Logistics Limited. So in a very quick one, what you want to do to join our community, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, then like the video and also comment. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can send and receive money via WeChat. We all popularly know that we can only, some of us use maybe WhatsApp. Some of us use maybe this Alipay to do what? To receive funds, to sell funds, and then do what? Do a lot of transactions. But maybe you are now looking for an alternative, right? To start doing transactions. This WeChat, you can use it to send funds. You can use it to also receive funds. So how do you get to do this? The first thing is to create and verify your WeChat account. I've recorded a video concerning this on how you can do what? How you can register without any QR code. So I believe by you watching this video, you must have owned a WeChat account, right? But if you haven't, just go and check the description button of this tutorial. I'm going to be leaving the link there. So after that, it's going to take you to the home page, something like this, right? Now, during the process, some might not have pay service like this pay service here. Some does not comes with it. So how do you activate it? It's very simple. You can activate it. I can help you activate it so that you would be seeing something like this. So you'll be able to do transaction with it by sending and receiving money with it. That's the first thing. You need to activate the WeChat Pay service. So I can help you activate it. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. There is a way we can use to activate it. So after activating it, the next step now is to do what? Do the verification. How do you verify? Just the same way we do real name authentication on Alipay. That's the same way that you can use to do what? You can use to do your transactions to verify the WeChat Pay. So after you verify it, without verifying it, there is no way you can send money. There's no way you can receive money. Now, if I want to receive money, I can easily come to receive money here. A QR code will be generated from. So with this, I can use it to do what? Receive money. And I also send money too. But we are still coming there. So now, I've also recorded a video on how you can activate your WeChat Pay for you to be eligible to send successfully and receive. So that is, that's the stages now. Before you get to this stage, you must have created a verified WeChat account. That's the first one. Secondly, you will also do what? You will activate, like it's going to be showing this. Your WeChat must be showing this. And there are some things you need to do. There are some settings you need to do for it to activate. Do you understand? That's the second step. After it now activates, you will now do real name authentication. That is verifying for you to be able to send and receive. That's the third step. So also, I've recorded a video on it and is on this channel. So I'm also going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial. So you can also go and watch it to activate your wallet, just like what you are seeing here. So after activating it, then we can now look at sending and receiving. So that is what brought us to today's tutorial. So now, how do you send? Let's start with sending. Or should we start with receiving? Okay, let's look at receiving. Now, let's say I want to receive a WeChat fund, maybe from friends, from family, and anybody at all. Now, you will come to me. I believe you must have activated your WeChat Pay and service now. Do you understand? So, you will click on this pay and service here. Once you click on it, if you click on money, you will click on money rather. You will click this money here, click on it. After you click on it, the reason why this QR code is not showing is simply because I am presently recording a video. That's why the QR code. A QR code will be generated for you. Something like this. Let me go to my gallery to show you. Something like this. The QR code will look like this. This is what it will look like. So you will send it to your exchangers. I'm also an exchangers. I sell RMB and I also help people to buy it. Like I buy and sell. So you will send this QR code to your exchangers or the person that wants to send the money to you. So the person will scan this QR code. After it scans it, then it will input the amount. Do you understand? It will input the amount. Then after inputting it, it will input his payment pin. And then you will receive it here. This is it. You will click on wallet. You will see your fund under wallet. You can see here under my balance, I have what? 416. You can also top up, but this top up is available for Chinese citizens. Let me go back. So now that is how to receive. Now, how do you send out? How do you send that? That's the very most important part. Maybe the reason why you are watching this video. How do you send? Is a two-way thing. Now, let's say you are the exchangers now, right? The first thing is what I just explained now. Collect the person you are sending the money to. Collect their QR code, the one I just showed you.
You are going to
collect this QR code. Now let's say I'm going to use this
as
as
the amount you want to send.
Although
now,
this code must have expired, you know there is a countdown for
once
this. So the user will have to go and generate a
for
new
my
one.
payment password.
So now,
of course,
you
just
come
set your
here.
payment password.
Can you see what we have
so
here
I will
now?
input the
Come
payment
to
password
me. You will see this payment here.
Before you know
Do you
it,
understand?
the
So you can either come to this
successful.
money section.
They've sent me
this is
a notification.
Can you see?
They've sent me a
This
notification
first
right
one
now
says
that the
receive
payment
money.
was
If
successful.
you want to
This is the
receive, you
receipt
click on
that
it.
was generated.
So it will generate your own code.
Here
This
that
is my own
receipt
code now.
was
To generate it.
successfully.
So if you want
can
to
just
set a amount
on
for
the
you, just click on
receipt.
set
Once you click
amount.
on it,
Write
you will
the amount.
see
Let's say
all the details of
I
the
want to do
transaction.
100.
Then
You
send
click on
it
100.
to
It
the
will
person
generate
that,
it for
this
you.
is the
Can you
receipt
see
of
now
the
100 RMB?
transactions, right? So
So
that's
you can
how
use it
to
to
use
receive. However, once you have the code, just come to your home here. Click on this plus icon. Then click on scan. Once you click on scan, just go to your album. Simple, just come back. Tell the person to send you a friend request. It's very simple and straightforward. Just tell the person, you guys must be friends on WeChat for you to say. Now let me look as an example. How do you add someone? I've recorded that video. I'm just going to leave those videos under the comment section. I don't want this video to be a very long one. Do you understand? So I'm going to leave it. I also have a video on how you can strong your WeChat account, like how you can bypass your account being frozen or being blocked. What are the necessary things you need to do? I have a video on it. I'm also going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial, so you can all learn and then make sure your account is active, because I don't want a situation whereby you will have money on your account and this account will be blocked. Do you understand? And I also sell suppliers contacts. If you're interested in getting suppliers contact on WeChat or on WhatsApp, you can see here, these are various transactions that I've done. Can you see? These are my friends on WeChat. If I'm to click on this guy now, I've made a lot of purchases from this guy. I sell phone. I train people on importation and exportation. Do you understand? So that is that about that. Now, once you are friends, assuming you are friends now, I believe you must have know the process. If you don't know the process, you can just DM me. I'll tell you the process. Now, let me click on this is the student that I want to send to. Now, can you see? She has already sent me a friend request, right? And I've already accepted. So this was the 100 RMB I sent to her yesterday. And I'm still going to be using this as a tutorial. So I'm still going to be sending 200 RMB to her. So once you guys are friends, maybe after you must have tried the first method and it didn't work out. Do you understand? Now just come here. After you must have been a friend, just say hello. Click on this plus icon here. Once you click on this plus icon, you will see different options. You can see transfer, you can see red packet. You can send is either via red packet or transfer. This red packet is just like a gift too, but it's not in form of gifts. If you want to give, this is gift option here. You can see it. So if your transfer is not working, you can make use of red packets. Do you understand? But I'm perfectly with my transfer. Nothing is wrong with my account. Of course, I'm a teacher, so I know in and out of these things. So now let me click on transfer. This will take you to this page. You must have make sure that you are transferring to the right person, right? So you want to input the amount. I'm sending 200 RMB. So I'm going to add a note. Let me add remaining balance, right? Remaining balance. So let me click on OK. After you tap OK, just click on transfer here. So automatically it's going to do what? It's going to connect it and then it's going to ask you for your payment password. However, if you don't have the money on your balance, you can also make use of your ATM card. You can use your ATM card to pay. Now let's say you want to use your ATM card to pay. You can click on change here. Can you see? You can add MasterCard. You can use your ATM card to pay. Then you can also use your Apple Pay to pay. Now, the reason why this Apple Pay is not paying is because I haven't added my card to my Apple Pay. But you can add a new card and use it to send. That's another payment method. And I think I'm also going to be coming back to record the special video on it. On how you can use your ATM card to fund, to pay. Do you understand? So now the next thing is to input your payment password. Of course, at the point of you activating the WeChat like from fresh, they will ask you for your payment this thing. So I'm going to input my payment and you will see now that the payment will go. Can you see now? So awaiting what? Receipt by team. So she will be the one to accept it. And after she accepts it, the funds will directly go to her account. And she's going to be seeing it on her main balance. Now you can see that I've sent 200 RMB. Let me click on done. Can you see now? Is there just like this one I sent yesterday. Now this is 100 RMB here. And this is, it has been accepted. Do you understand? There is one thing to send money and there's another thing for the receiver to receive it. If the receiver does not receive it within 24 hours, they will automatically reverse the money back to you. Do you understand? So she have received this 100. Now you can see now this 200 RMB is waiting for receiving. So once she see it, she's going to do what? She's going to accept it. Now, how does it look like after accepting? Let me see if I can see one of my exchangers here. Let me see. Okay, I think, yes, this is it. So now, this is it. Can you see? She sent me 50 RMB. I accept the fund. She sent me another 50 RMB. I accept the fund because it's a Chinese fund. She sent 100. I accept it. She sent 100. I accept. So that's how these things work. Do you understand? Now, if I'm to come back to my balance now, let me click on wallet. Let me click on wallet. You will see that they have automatically deducted this money from my account. Do you understand how these things works now? It's as very simple as that, right? So if you have questions, you can reach out to me on the number displaying on your screen. We are available for mentorship, consultation, trainings, most especially China importation training. We are very good at it. Then we are also into gadgets training. If you want to start buying gadgets directly, we do one-on-one consultation like via Zoom, via Google Meet. If you want us to train you directly, you will see what's happening on your screen. We are going to share our screen with you. All right. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Kindly give us a feedback by liking the video. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, YouTube will be able to notify you that, okay, this guy has already posted another related videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching till this very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Peace out. Shalom.